Adams Polish's Waterless Wash is a product that has been around for many years.
It's an excellent opportunity for me to introduce the waterless car wash.
To demonstrate our waterless wash. What's perfect for this application? Our waterless wash.
It's a very, very effective product, and it's absolutely a fan favorite. And it's actually a very complex formula. If you ask our chemist, Chris, by far it's our most complicated formula.
Very complicated formulas. A formula like that one is close to 20 ingredients within that blend.
Now, Chris has explained this to me, and he has said a lot of keywords that I could not even restate because it's way too scientific for my detailing brain. But the two things I understand about this is that the waterless wash emulsifies. What does that mean? Emulsifies means when you spray the waterless wash onto the surface, it lifts dust and dirt away from the car. And then the second thing, it encapsulates that dust and dirt. So it surrounds it with lubricating agents. So when you wipe it away with the towel, it does not scratch your car. Now, everyone watching this video, I guarantee it, is going to ask me, how dirty can your car be to use waterless wash? Like when is it too dirty to 2-bucket wash? Okay, well, there's definitely different levels of dirtiness, okay? If you've been through a snowstorm or, crazy elements outside and there's noticeable dirt down the side of your car, probably you should break out the 2 buckets and wash your car. Great, like if you take your car out on a drive and it gets extremely dusty and maybe a little bit dirt kicks up on the side of your car, waterless wash is absolutely safe enough to clean your car without scratching. Now, another thing that's really great about waterless wash is bug guts. You can pre-treat bug guts with waterless wash, and that will help break down those guts. And then when you go to wipe them away, it makes it much safer, much easier removing bug guts with waterless wash. Now, waterless wash has gone through different revisions over the years. And as car care progresses, we can enhance the technology that goes into these formulas. So waterless wash has extremely slick properties, okay? Not only when you're using it, but after you've wiped the solution away, you can feel your paint feels slicker than ever. Another question we're gonna get, why don't you just use detail spray instead of waterless wash? Well, it's a great question. Detail spray is something that has wax content in it, silicones. That's something if you use it over and over and over again, you'll get buildup, which then causes streaking while you use that product. Waterless wash won't do that, okay? You can waterless wash over and over and over again and it won't build up and it won't streak a ton, okay? Not only is waterless wash a fan favorite, but it's also a favorite amongst our employees. It's something that we use all the time, and especially at big events like Barrett-Jackson, where we're wiping down 300 plus cars. This is an essential tool to our success to keep those cars clean without scratching them. Adams Polish's Waterless Wash is best paired with the Waffle Weave Waterless Washing Towel. The one thing I love about the Waterless Wash Waffle Weave Towel is the size. And the cool thing about it is you can fold it 3 times. And while you're using it, you have 16 panels to work with once you have folded this 3 times onto itself. Now, they work amazing together, okay? They're going to be able to clean your car without scratching and without, look, you don't need a hose. Just use the waterless wash with the Waffle Weave towel and you will be good to go. Adams Polish's Waterless Wash should absolutely be an integral part of your detailing arsenal.